If you have ever felt like your ClickUp workspace is doing too much or not doing the right things at the right time, then this update is going to make your life a lot easier. ClickUp just released the 3.63 version, and it comes with smarter automations, smarter agents, and tools that actually reduce your manual work instead of adding to it. ClickUp didn't just add new features. They change the way your workspace behaves behind the scenes. These changes impact your automations, your workflows, and even how your team collaborates. But most people won't notice them unless they know what to look for. Number 1. Conditions for agents. This finally gives your AI agents real logic. Here's what that means in simple terms. Inside the agent conditions, you start by giving it a simple natural language rule like only trigger if the task mentions new production should. That already filters out most irrelevant tasks. Then you press the plus icon, choose custom fields, and add a second layer of logic. For example, making sure the department is set to marketing. Once your conditions are set, you move to the action and tell the agent exactly what to do. In this case, read the SOP, analyze the requirements, and automatically generate the subtasks for the production should. And just like that, you've built an agent that runs only at the exact moment you want it to, so no random triggers, just precise and controlled automation. Number 2, AI suggested automations, a feature that builds automations for you based on how your team actually works. For example, it noticed that tasks in this list usually need clear next steps, so it created a text area field and even pre-filled the AI instructions for how those action items should be written. Then, at the bottom, you will see the automation settings. Autofill when tasks are created, auto-update when tasks change, or even autofill existing tasks. So, instead of manually typing action points for each task, ClickUp generates them automatically the moment the task is created. Number 3, AI Notetaker for ad hoc calls. Another big upgrade is the ability to use the AI Notetaker even when there's no calendar invite. This finally makes it useful for last-minute or spontaneous calls. Here's what that means in simple terms. Instead of adding a meeting to your calendar, just so the note-taker can join, you can now trigger it manually by pasting a meeting link. Inside the note-taker settings, you will find a field where you can drop any Zoom, Google Meet, or Teams link. Once you paste it, ClickUp automatically sends the AI note-taker into your call, just like a real participant. This is perfect for those situations where someone says, "Can you hop on a call real quick?" and there's no time to create an invite. The note-taker still joins, still records, and still creates your full summary. Number 4, account authenticated forms. A simple change that protects your internal processes without making anything complicated. Instead of anyone being able to open your form just because they have the link, ClickUp now lets you require people to be logged into your workspace before they can view or submit it. So let me show you how you can turn this on. Go to your workspace settings, press Security and Permissions, scroll down until you find Account Authenticated Forms and activate it. From that moment, anyone who tries to access your form link will need to sign in, and if they are not part of your workspace, they won't get in. This is perfect for internal workflows like HR requests, finance submissions, engineering updates, or anything else that shouldn't ever be visible to outsiders. Number 5, turn comments into subtasks. Another upgrade that saves a lot of time is the ability to turn comments into subtasks with one click. Instead of reading a comment and manually creating subtasks yourself, ClickUp AI can now analyze the comment, detect the action items inside it, and breaks them into subtasks automatically. Here's how it works. When you find a comment with multiple to-dos, you simply click the comment, press the brain icon and select Create Subtasks. ClickUp reads the entire comment, identifies each action point, and generates clean subtasks for you. This keeps every detail structured, trackable, and impossible to miss. Now, if you want to try these updates but you don't want to set up ClickUp alone, we can help. We work closely with businesses to build systems that actually complement their workflows and not complicate them. So, if you're ready to level up your workspace, check the link in the description and book a call with us today. Thanks for watching.